Welcome to Dream and Creative's Model United Nations training session conducted by Artrika Singh. Artrika is a dynamic high school student, NCC cadet, and head of an MUN club. As a skilled debater and orator, she brings in a wealth of experience to guide us. In this session, Artrika walks us through the fundamentals of Model United Nations. She starts with the role of a delegate, but quickly expands to the structure of a committee, how countries propose or request solutions, and what an agenda means in this context. She also gives beginner friendly explanations of how blocks work, how to think like a delegate, and how to draft impactful resolutions. Whether you are new or looking to sharpen your MUN skills, this session is a solid place to begin with. Let's dive in.
So delegates is basically the representative of a country who will be talking on a particular issue, debating on a particular issue. And if their country is facing any issues, for example, if my country, Ukraine, is facing some issue and I have issue from a particular country called Russia, I'll be going to the UN. I'll be preparing speech. When you go in your committee session, you can do two things. Rather, first of all, is preparing a solution to the problem. If you're well versed with the country, you have to prepare the solutions that you propose in the committee that we can do in order to achieve this agenda. All right. Number two is if you're a very weak country, for example, if you are Pakistan, if you are Afghanistan, or any other weak country economically or politically, so what you do is you come up with the issue that your country is facing. You're facing this issue and you want it to get resolved, and the committee members will help you solve this. So there are two ways how to make your speeches. Number one, if you're a strong country, propose solutions. If you're a weak country with regards to the agenda, you need to talk on the issue that you need help. Now, what is committee? Committee is basically a group of delegates. And now, when there is a group of delegates, like we have a group of 6 delegates together, so today we are in a committee. Now, I have the name of the committee as UNEP. UNEP stands for United Nations Environmental Protection Committee. So this committee basically focuses on environment and issues related to environment occurring in the world. You all are well versed about the agenda for today, that is marine life, destruction of marine life. It is again related to the environment. We'll be having speeches and we'll be looking forward to the solutions we can implement in order to move forward to cooperate with the agenda. Is that clear what is committee?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure. Now, what is an agenda? I am sure you guys till now, all the delegates must be well versed that what is the agenda. Agenda is basically the topic, the issue on which we'll be debating, we'll be finding solutions, and we'll be discussing upon with diplomacy. It is the main issue of the committee that we'll be resolving, that we'll be trying to resolve, and at the end of the committee, we'll come up with the solutions. Now the proceedings begin. How we proceed in an MUNs. First of all, you guys must have, whenever you go to school, there are attendance, and you have two ways. Either you say present, either your friends would say absent, correct? Whenever you are in the school. Similarly, when you are in the committee session, it is a formal session. So there are two options, whether you say present and whether you say present and voting. Let me explain you what does present and voting means. So present means whenever a particular delegate is saying present, at the end of the committee, there are draft resolutions made. Draft resolution is basically a paperwork where we add solutions. At the हमारा motive क्या है? हमारा motive ये है that we need to get solutions, correct? अब अगर हमने डिस्कस कर लिया कि हमारे पे ये solutions है, ये solution है, लेकिन there are a lot of solutions, तो हम एक organized way में काम करना है, हमें एक यूनिफॉर्म वे में काम करना है. तो जब हमारी सारी जीएसएल्स खत्म हो जाती है, जब हम सारी 6 जीएसएल्स में खत्म हो जाएंगे, तो आई विल डिवाइड 3 पीपल इनटू अ ब्लॉक. अब उनका काम क्या होगा? उन फर्स्ट ब्लॉक 3 delegates, another block 3 delegates. I'll give them 15-20 minutes. They are supposed to prepare a Word document together, not alone. They can prepare a Google Doc as well. That will be more easier. Together, they are supposed to create a Google Doc wherein they'll be having all the solutions uniformly. जो भी solutions they believe is important with regards to the agenda, they'll be having those solutions. I'll also share a sample of how you prepare a draft resolution so that it's easy for you guys to understand, because draft resolution plays a very vital role in an MUN, because at the end of the day, we need solution and we need paperwork. आपने इतनी डिबेट्स कर लिया, आपने इतनी स्पीचेस दे ली, लेकिन उसका कंक्लूजन क्या निकला? लड़ाई झगड़ा ये तो नहीं है MUN का पॉइंट. We need solutions. That's why we need a proper paperwork. अब वोटिंग का पॉइंट क्या होता है? अब जैसे आई टोल्ड यू, देयर विल बी 2 blocks. One block that will have 3 delegates, other block that will have 3 delegates. एक बार जब उनका हमारा पेपर वर्क विल बी रेडी, then we'll be voting on that. The people who have voted present, they are not bound to vote. They can either vote and either abstain from voting. While the people who have done present and voting during their roll call, they are bound to give attendance. For example, if during the roll call I said present and अब voting शुरू हो गई, अब मेरे both the countries, तो ये इसीलिए होता है because during the roll call they used to say present. क्योंकि जब आपने प्रेजेंट बोल दिया तो आप न्यूट्रल बन गए, आपको कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि आपको वोट करना ही है. While if you say present and voting, you are quite sure that you need to vote towards the draft resolution either from block 1, either from block 2. I would always suggest to go for present and voting rather than wasting your vote and going for present. Correct?
So, Atrika, does it mean ki, let us say if I am a delegate and I say only present, but I cannot change my mind later. I cannot vote if I said
You
only.
cannot change it later. It's fixed. Either present or present and voting during the roll call. The chairperson, which means I have an Excel sheet prepared. We'll be having which country said present, which country said present and voting marked there. And with regards to that, we'll be having voting.
Okay.
So present and voting is clear to everyone?
Yes.
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 Great. So are you all aware about how to raise a motion? Now motion means agenda here. So how to raise up your agenda?